Hello everybody, Brian here from quantlabs.net. Welcome to another edition of me on QuantLab on the YouTubes. So again, 4:09 Eastern Standard Time, February 25th. I want to talk about our next adventure in the world of portfolio management. As you know, very bad news came out of Ukraine a few days ago with Russia deciding to invade. Things have been pushed to the extreme, and we learn about money management when it comes to that. So, as you can tell, right now, if you want to know how to defend your portfolio, I'm putting together solutions. You can find out more by joining our newsletter, quantlabs.net/contact. And I want to talk about what I'm going to plan for every Monday night. We've been doing Eastern Standard Time. Like every Monday night, I've been talking about basically how to defend your and preserve your wealth, how to generate wealth through crypto. I just put up a video on probably the easiest way to buy gold and one of the safest ways, supposedly. So there's that as well. You know, with the stock market being highly volatile that it is, and national debt not being talked about and all that, with the inflation, it really shows what's going on in the world of economics and wealth creation as well as wealth preservation. So Monday night, what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold a webinar live on Telegram, and basically you can join my Telegram channel for that. And we had last night a session on how to create your own bank. We had about 20 to 30 people roll through it over 2 hours. That webinar is available on my store behind my paywall, so if you want to access, I'll talk about that in a minute. Anyways, let's talk about the agenda for Monday. So Monday is an important event, I think, because we have these big problems of what is going on out there that people need to be educated on, and wealth creation is number one now. And I want to talk about what I've been doing with Yahoo Finance data to be able to find trading baskets that outpace the standard benchmark of the S&P 500. Sometimes we're able to beat it by up to 40-50% more than what you'd have already year to date on the S&P 500 as of up to today, since the beginning of the year. Pretty incredible research has been put into it, and results have proven to be very powerful. So I want to talk about that, and I think, you know, the US markets will bounce back at some point, but they're very sensitive to all the negative news of, if it's not the virus, and this war and conflicts and whatnot. So I want to talk about that, how to find your ultimate portfolio. Some people will put money into oil and gold, which is fine, but even they, I do believe, think will go fairly volatile as these events play out, macroeconomic level. And the thing is that, you know, can you build a portfolio with just currency, let's say, or agriculture, or commodity, or crypto? So we're going to talk about those blends from what I'm seeing, and again, that's going to happen on Monday. Let's see here, I'm going to put up my calendar here. So just give me a second here. So if you look at the bottom right there, you'll see February 28th, last day of February, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So that's what we'll do, but that takes place on Telegram. Now, why am I on Telegram? Well, I've always been on Zoom, never had a real problem with Zoom until you can just look it up with a very bad, an embarrassing situation I had no control over, called Zoom bombing. And after that, I just switched over to Telegram. I just think that the security on Zoom is a joke. I've not had any problems with Telegram so far, and you can do a lot with Telegram. So I can do live streams on my Telegram news channel. And in there, when you comment, you can join the group as well. And one other thing is, in terms of with all the wonderful censorship, you know, because I'm in Canada, what I've built out here is this web chat server, private chat server at quantlabs.info. So if you want to join that as well, we have that as well. In there, just so you know, we have available our newsroom, which is a lot of chatter. This is where I get all my latest info, and you can chat privately. There's no snooping, as far as I know, not at least by the technical overlords out there. And you can also talk to me privately, anonymously, and I do flush these logs quite frequently. So there's nothing really archived over past the day, let's say. So I just wanted to let you know about that as well. So again, if you want to know more, what I would strongly recommend is we're building out this community of whatnot. So again, that's at quantlabs.net/contact. That will get you into that world. Plus the Telegram, plus the chat server. It's all free, of course. But let's talk about something else. So in here, let me just get rid of that. We have the quantlabs.shop. Okay, as you know, a lot of things are not charity. You know what I mean? All the info, we gotta live, keep the lights on, feed the pooch, who's right here, you know, we have the store, quantlabs.shop, and if you want access to last night's incredible webinar, we had somebody from, it sounds like an insider from the Bahamas, about crypto, revealed some interesting things. We have that available, so if you get any of the product, I've just released a few new things. We've got the monthly services now, fairly cheap. We have the course, the crypto trading bot course in Python. If you want to do one-on-one, you want to talk to me, we have that available as well for 45 minutes, 4 sessions. We have all that built in, and it helps to show you the store. Okay, so here's the store, quantlabs.shop. Let me repeat. So we have a course here, the crypto course. Again, this is quantlabs.shop, just under collections, under catalog. And then we've got the mentoring, if you want, coaching, whatever you want to call it, one-on-one with myself. And then also the new monthly services. Well, they're just kind of, they've always been there, but they've just been rearranged for either cryptocurrency or ETF/Forex. So that's more for more mainstream Forex and currencies as well. So it's all there, just making that aware. And for everybody that gets any of this, I give you access for a year into the boot camp, which is all my webinars and private videos there as well. So that's how it is. And if you want to get access, go to quantlabs.net, which you can see above there, quantlabs.net/contact. And again, that will take you to our cool page here, and then you'll get access to also an email follow-up on how to join our Telegram as well. I think we got a couple hundred people. I've tried Discord. I prefer Telegram as well, and I'll be able to provide any other free stuff that can help you out, and again, that chat server as well. So we'll leave it at that. Hopefully this will help you out, and we'll talk to you later. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.